Hi guys, my name is Harsh, and today we're going to take up a very common issue with everybody, a common complaint which everybody has. I have learned, seen and observed that people in stock markets always have an opinion that markets are very risky in the short term, markets are very dangerous in the short term. So they invest in the long term. And the irony is they lose again in the long term. And I know it's happened to you as well. We are left with a feeling of helplessness, uncertainty and regret. The same feeling when sand slips out of your fist, money slips out of your pocket, profits slips out of our portfolios. The same feeling of getting beaten down yet again. But the solution is very simple. And the most difficult things in life are to keep things simple. So, there are two types of cycles. One, the economic cycle, which shows the current health of the economy, the current state of the economy. Second, the stock market cycle, which shows basically the national index and the national exchange of that country. So, in my case, my economic cycle would be India's economic health, and my stock market cycle would be Nifty and Sensex, as they are my national indexes. The main difference between these two cycles, that the economic cycle is the past and the stock market cycle are the future. Let me explain. In the economic cycle, we consider indicators like GDP, PCI, interest rates and inflation, and etc. All of these things have one thing in common. All of these indicators have one thing in common. That they have all taken place. They have all happened. They have all happened in the past. They are the past. Hence, the economic cycle is past. Now coming to stock market cycle. In stock market cycle, we see future expectations. We see future market prices. We invest in the future. Hence, it is the future. Now, markets are forward-looking and optimistic. And as and when the event happens, markets keep discounting the price of that event in a negative way or a positive. So in an economy, when you see the financial report of a country that the GDP has this, the interest rates have gone down, so the demand has increased, so the GDP has increased, the inflation has also increased. That does not mean it's going to affect the stock market at the end of the time. When you see the formal report, it's all been done, it's all finished. The effect of the interest rates, the inflation, the GDP has already taken place. So we have to see the market cycle, not the economic cycle. Let me give you another example. Let's suppose XYZ is a company. It did great in a particular financial year. And during the financial year, the prices of that share will rise. Why? Because the markets discount the price as and when it happens, the event happens. Markets are not going to wait for the company's end of the year financial report that the profits are this, assets are this, liabilities have reduced, credit have reduced. No. Markets are not going to wait for the formal report. That's another problem with us. We see the formal reports of the past and invest in the future. We have to predict the future. We have to foresee the future. We have to foresee the future financial statements, the future financial expectation of the company or of the share. So to conclude myself, I urge you to look at the economic cycle and stock market cycle as a different aspect. The problem with us, we need to improve, is that we invest seeing the economic cycle. When the economy is on a run, we invest. But we're not investing in the economy, we're investing in the markets, in the stock markets. So we have to invest when the stock market cycle are looking bullish, are on a run. The main problem with the economic cycle and stock market cycle is that we take them as the same thing, but they're not. One is the past, one is the future. The stock market cycle run ahead of the economic cycle. They are at least 6 months ahead of the economic cycle. So next time when you invest, don't invest on the economic cycle, invest on the market cycle. And remember that stock market cycle move ahead of the economic cycle. So we have to invest when the stock market cycles are on. are on a run, not the economic sector. I'll catch you next time.